Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best Melissa and Doug trucks are probably one of the most versatile and engaging toys for young children, offering endless opportunities for imaginative play and skill development. These sturdy, well-crafted vehicles are designed to withstand the rigors of playtime while sparking creativity and encouraging fine motor skills as little hands push, pull, and maneuver them across various surfaces. From construction sites to imaginary roads, these trucks provide a tactile and stimulating experience that captivates toddlers and preschoolers, making them a staple in many toy boxes for good reason. Number 5. Wooden Racetrack Car Ramp Racer. Prioritize your child's safety with our wooden racetrack. Made from high-quality, non-toxic materials, it meets the highest safety standards, ensuring no small parts detach. Watch as they send 4 colorful cars down the vibrant ramps from the top parking lot. This promotes visual tracking and provides endless racing fun. They'll learn to organize by parking the cars themselves, fostering a sense of storage. This also helps prevent them from getting lost. This compact and sturdy toy is ideal for birthdays or any occasion. It's easy to store and perfect for indoor or outdoor play. Encourage hand-eye coordination and attention span as they play. This toy also promotes cooperation and communication skills through shared play. With a unique design allowing only one car at a time, it's perfectly suited for toddlers. It's a thoughtful gift that ensures hours of enjoyment. What we like. This toy offers exceptional safety with its non-toxic, BPA-free materials and securely attached wheels, ensuring no small parts detach. It also features a unique top parking lot for easy car storage. If you are looking for a safe and engaging toy that also helps with organization for your little one, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The wheels are large and turn smoothly, making it easy for little hands to push. The dump truck bed actually lifts and dumps, which is a big hit with my son. It's made of sturdy wood and has held up well to rough play. Number 4. Melissa and Doug Magnetic Car Loader Wooden Toy Set. Get ready for hours of pretend play with this magnetic car loader. It includes a truck with a magnetic crane that lifts and loads 4 numbered cars onto a trailer. Children can enhance their fine motor skills and hand-eye coordination. They'll also develop sorting abilities as they move and arrange the vehicles. Crafted from high-quality wood, this sturdy playset is built for long-lasting fun. It's a dependable toy for active kids. With a tilting trailer and 4 distinct cars, this set offers endless opportunities for storytelling and creative adventures. It's a fun learning toy. This dynamic wooden toy makes a thoughtful present for preschoolers who love trucks and cars. It's a fun way to engage in sensory play and develop motor skills. What we like. This set provides a fun magnetic loading experience with a crane and numbered cars. The trailer detaches for added play versatility. If your child enjoys imaginative play involving loading and unloading, and you want a toy that enhances fine motor skills and sorting, this magnetic truck is an excellent option. What people say. The wheels on the dump truck are smooth and roll easily, making it great for indoor and outdoor play. The dump bed on the truck can be lifted and lowered, which is a fun feature for kids who enjoy imaginative play. The construction of the truck is sturdy and durable, able to withstand rough play from toddlers. Number 3. Melissa and Doug Shape Sorting Dump Truck. This sturdy wooden toy truck is also a shape sorter. It features 9 shaped holes that match the colorful wooden blocks, offering a fun challenge. The truck bed tilts to dump the blocks, and the back door lifts. This satisfying action encourages fine motor skills and hours of pretend play. This set includes the wooden truck, 9 colorful blocks in different shapes, and 2 friendly figures. They can drive the vehicle and expand imaginative storytelling. This shape sorter helps children develop color and shape recognition, sorting skills, and problem-solving abilities. It's a great way to learn through hands-on play. This durable wooden vehicle makes a wonderful present for young children. It provides a playful way to engage in preschool learning and build foundational cognitive skills. What we like. This toy is a dual-function vehicle that acts as both a dump truck and a shape sorter. It offers satisfying dumping action and comes with blocks and figures for extended imaginative play. If you are seeking a toy that aids in developing shape and color recognition, problem-solving skills, and fine motor control, this shape-sorting dump truck is ideal. What people say. The wheels on the trucks are smooth and roll easily, making them great for little hands to push around. The trucks are made of sturdy wood and have held up well to rough play. The details on the trucks, like the moving parts and realistic designs, are impressive and add to the play value. Number 2. Melissa and Doug Wooden Car Carrier Truck and Cars Set. Introducing a fun wooden play set featuring a car carrier truck and 4 colorful cars. It's designed for little hands to easily load and unload. This toy has easy-to-use ramps that lower to create 2 levels for the vehicles. It makes transporting the cars a breeze. The included cars are designed to be compatible with standard wooden train tracks. This adds even more possibilities for playtime. Playing with this set encourages the development of motor skills and sparks imaginative adventures. It's perfect for children aged 3 and up. Looking for a great gift? This hands-on toy provides hours of screen-free fun. It's ideal for preschoolers aged 3 to 6. What we like. This toy features a 2-level carrier with easy-to-use ramps for loading and unloading 4 cars. The cars are also compatible with standard wooden train tracks, adding to the play possibilities. If you want a versatile vehicle playset that encourages motor skills and imaginative play, and your child enjoys transporting vehicles, this car carrier truck is a fantastic choice. What people say. The wheels on the dump truck spin freely and the bed lifts and lowers. The construction vehicles are sturdy and well made, perfect for little hands. My son loves the details on the fire truck, especially the extendable ladder. Number 1. Melissa and Doug Emergency Vehicle Carrier. Get ready for action with this exciting wooden play set. It's a 2-level carrier designed to pick up and deliver emergency vehicles. This set comes complete with everything you need for imaginative play. You'll find a carrier, helicopter, fire engine, police car, and ambulance. Need more space for your rescue mission? The upper level extends to make the truck nearly 2 feet long. This allows for easy loading and unloading of the vehicles. Crafted with sturdy, high-quality wooden construction, this toy is built to last. Its bright, bold colors add to the excitement of every play session. Inspire hours of creative storytelling and problem-solving. This versatile toy encourages children to engage in exciting rescue scenarios. It's the perfect combination of a carrier and 4 essential rescue vehicles. Let the adventures begin. What we like. This set includes a carrier with 4 different emergency vehicles and an extending trailer for realistic play. It's designed for rescue-themed adventures and features high-quality wooden construction. If your child is fascinated by emergency services and loves imaginative play involving rescue missions, this emergency vehicle carrier is a perfect gift. What people say. The wheels on the dump truck are smooth and roll easily, making it great for toddlers to push around. The dump truck bed actually lifts and dumps, which is a fun feature for imaginative play. The construction of the truck is very sturdy and durable, able to withstand rough play. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.